Hey guys, D-Rage here. So today we're gonna be installing the van mats in our RV. So this is our RV. Kind of messy right now. See? Yeah. And I found the spot already. So all I have to do is remove the, sticky tape. So I am thinking not there, it's too far. I'm just adjusting the right position here. See, this is my driving position, and this is where it would be. So I need to put more or less over there. It shouldn't bother my vision. So I'm gonna test my phone over there. Yep, that seems like to be a good position. So now, let's see if I can remove this with one hand. That's going to be tricky, because like it really wants to stick in there, even with this plastic thing on, which we're gonna remove it now. There you go. Oh. And we're gonna install it right there. So all I have to do is push against it like it is there, and now there's a little that thing over there that activates the suction, and now that's not gonna go anywhere. That's stuck there, and that's it. That's pretty freaking easy. All right, now we take our phone, we put the phone there, and we tighten up so it doesn't go anywhere. Done. See? Now we can there's like adjustments over here that we can make, and my hand's gonna be in front, but tighten those up so they won't move. We can extend it, forward if we wanted to. If you want to come in more forward, closer to us, then we tighten it up over here so you won't move. There, it's very sturdy. Yeah, then I'll be driving, and I don't need that much forward because I don't want the steering wheel to get in my way here. So let's backwards is fine, but it's nice that they give us the ability to adjust. And then to open, there's a button on the side, so you remove your phone wherever you are. You come in, you plug it in, tighten up, all set. That's it. That was easy peasy. It comes with a little thing in case you want to put in the vent. In our case, the vents are too big, and that won't fit in there anyways. So but I like that position much better. So that's it. Works great. It's not in my field of vision. I can adjust up and down if I want to. I can bring this further down and make it really tight. But yeah, you can adjust up and down. I can rotate if I wanted to. This is good height for me. Everything is much harder with one hand, but there you go. And you can tilt it too, like that, so you have perfect viewing angle. That was an easy install. The hardest part of the job is decide where you want it. But there's only so many places that it looks good and doesn't get in your way. So that was one of them. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Take care.